Do you find yourself scratching your head while learning Dagger 2? Do you think it's hard to get hold of Dagger 2 and incorporate into your projects? Then I have good news for you. Today, I'm going to start a new Dagger 2 tutorial series which was long pending. I have streamed a video on Model View Presenter a few months back and I got an excellent response on that. Thank you so much, and it's only you guys who motivated me to create this series. I know you all were waiting for new videos and a lot of you guys also requested for the same in comments. I'm sorry for that. I was quite busy with my new job, but now I'm ready to step into making these videos once again. Now, coming back to this video, you guys asked me to create videos on advanced MVP with Dagger 2 and RX Java. But according to me, before getting into that, I should create videos explaining how to use Dagger 2 in your project. I understand that the background where I come from, I was working with a service-based company and my primary focus was just delivery of build on time. I couldn't find time to learn this stuff, and I always had a misconception that these topics are tough to master. But after shifting to Bangalore and joining an excellent product-based company, I got some exposure on latest technology that advanced level developers are working on. Dagger 2 was one of them. I will try my best to make this series as easy as possible for you to understand from beginner's perspective. I have already committed this sample project that I will use to teach Dagger 2 on GitHub. You will find the link to the sample project in description. Just download that sample and you are good to go to dive right into using Dagger 2. At last, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I will request you to do so and also hit that bell icon to get notification of every new video that I will upload in future. I'm Kshitij Jain, signing off.